today we talk about how can you research app data on your Costco app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on account down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you click here on app settings here, you just click on it or just click here on reset app data here. So then when you just click on it here, automatically it's going to reset with you here on your Costco app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.